What the heck happened to Freedom 55? What happened to our savings and investments? How can I replenish our retirement fund? Hi, my name is Alice, and not that long ago I asked myself these very same questions as our retirement lifestyle was headed in the opposite direction of what we had envisioned. So I started to look for ways that I could work from home, and I was introduced to an online business that provided step-by-step training, and all I needed was my computer and the internet. Now, I've been working at this business for almost a year now, and our retirement lifestyle is back on track. We've been able to replenish our savings. We have a beautiful home in Mexico where we spend the winter months, and we travel in our motorhome during the summer. No more financial worries. So if you're experiencing a retirement financial crisis, please take a look at this business. Click on the Learn More button on or around this video and fill in your name and your email address. I'd love to have you join me.